Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that I just put together one day and it actually came out so good and my family loved it. So I thought, why not share with you guys? It's my Tandoori Spiced Baked Salmon that is paired with a Lemon Turmeric Basmati Rice. This is super flavorful and so delicious, so let me show you how to make it. I got here 4 salmon fillets. So start by marinating the salmon. For that you're going to need 1.5 teaspoon of tandoori masala, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, and salt to taste. Give these spices a good mix and sprinkle it over the salmon. Next, pour the juice of 1/2 of a lemon and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Coat this marinade onto the salmon. Transfer the marinated salmon onto a baking pan that is lined with foil and coated with olive oil. Bake this at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. While the salmon is baking, let's make the lemon turmeric rice. So in a pan on medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add in 1 onion that's diced and 2 garlic cloves that's minced. Saute this till the onions are translucent. Then add in 1 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, and pepper to taste. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in 2 cups of cooked basmati rice. Give this a good mix till everything is combined. Then pour in the juice of 1 lemon. Add in 1 tablespoon of lemon zest and 1/4 cup of cilantro. Mix this in with the rice and the lemon turmeric rice is ready. Serve this rice with the baked salmon. This is such a delicious pairing and it will definitely be a hit. I hope you guys do try this recipe out because it's so good. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!